mushroom. This is Ladybird Lake. See, you can fall in. It's real easy. And then there's another path that way, but I'm not going. You can fall in there. Steep. Anybody could be hiding in there. Look how the water comes. You can fall anywhere. Straight down. Shoot. Go here. Out here doing some investigating with my boy Jason. He's out there doing underwater observation. All around here there's homeless people, but they're well hidden. I would say maybe they rob people or they, I don't know, offer. So you can trip on those. I'll take you down that little path again. Heading back up. There's a jogging trail that way. I think I've seen people walking through there. There's a fiesta ramp or boats. So Jason's over there in the cove. Wait, something's happening. Is he talking to somebody? I don't see him. I'm to your left. It's like I don't care. Look how steep it is. It's very steep right here. In my opinion, you can trip on these. Ladybird Lake, y'all. There's one of the ramps. It's windy. No one here says hi, watch. How you doing? Hi. There you go, see these things? The roots on the trees. You can fall down in there. This one's not deep like the other side. sometimes the water flows that way and sometimes this way to the east today, and most of the time it flows to the west. No, most of the time it flows to the east, and today it's flowing to the west. So that lady's there, watercraft. She did smile that way. I see some graffiti over there. Ooh, it's humid and hot. Thanks for watching. If anyone sees something, call the authorities on these videos, because I can see 360, you know. But there's another writing. One thing that's been revealed about the smiley face killer. Oh, there's a walkway. There's two, one right there and one here. Oh, it's been revealed by one of the longtime investigators of smiley face killers, and they said that along with the smiley face there's other writings or graffiti, but they don't want to say personal possessions, and they said no, and then he said if they do they'll turn it in. See right here, you can trip, you can go straight down, it's real steep. And if you notice, the people, when you're walking, they never look behind. They just keep walking straight or running straight or biking. Even when you hear the gravel, you know, when you walk on the gravel, someone behind you walking and they don't even look. You just see who's behind you. Me, shit, I look back. Look back, Jack. Go down the trail. On the weekends, there's a lot of people. Over there is where they found the... Damn it. Over there is where they found him. At the end of the fence, they found a guy last week. But they don't think it's related because there's a homeless... That's where the homeless encampment is too. Let's see. Okie dokie. Lady Bird Lake, y'all. See, I'm right behind. Those people don't even look behind. Oh. Here's a place you can fall in. It's not deep here, but it's deep around the other side. What the hell? See those roots, how big they are? You can freaking trip over those. huge. You're standing there, all drunk. You're gonna be peeing right here. Either someone throws you, pushes you in, kicks you in, or you fall in. But it's not that deep here. But this is an example of tree roots that are here. And I tripped, but I learned how to catch my balance just like now. So here we go, right down the trail. We're headed towards Rainy Street, but this is to the east of I-35 at Chicano Park. But if you keep walking straight, you're gonna hit. I mean, this is all Labor Lake, but the main area is over there. There's another place to fall in. See, imagine you just come sit here, you're just enjoying the view. People can hide anywhere, smoking or whatever you do, self-medicate. Here's the other side of the tree. The Fiesta boat ramp is to my right. The main part of close to Rainy Street is to my left. So let me tie my shoe. Whew. Okay. La Santa Muerte. Yeah. That says La Santa Muerte, which if you're into some kind of religion, you have they pray to the Saint of Death. I think that's how you say it in English. La Santa Muerte, Saint Death, and they pray to Saint Death, La Santa Muerte, so that the cops won't ever catch him. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. What if that's why they don't get caught? Because they're praying to the Santa Muerte. Oh my God. There comes a strange guy. Just fall straight down. Why do people say you can't? Ooh, it's pretty sitting here. You can just relax. Ooh, see, you could fall in right there. You can get caught up in those weeds.
No corras, no corras. No corras, pues.
Qué chulo, he's cute. I didn't even know this ramp was here or whatever you want to call it. Getting in trouble. A lot of people have moved here, you know, like the trendy younger generation. And they move here because there's a lot of companies like Google, all those, a lot of them, I can't remember right now. So there's a lot of preppy hipsters. I look out of place. Especially if I'm carrying this. There's a homeless person. Ow. Stepped on a gravel thing. We're gonna hit the underpass at IH-35. That's where I found a weird smiley face. So it has the name Christian on it. And one of the guys that they found, he was beat up. He was on the side of the edge of by the dam. And they found his body there. He was all beat up. So he had to go to therapy for years. I think this happened in 2018. He had to go to therapy for years. And he's still in therapy, I think, because, like I said, they beat him up real bad. I wonder what those bullies are doing there. They weren't there before. Bullies haven't been there before. I guess it's measuring the direction of the water. You know, Sabby? Oh, wow. There's one of the cameras. Surveillance. Ouch. Why do I keep stepping on them? There's one of the cameras, y'all. Solar. It's over here, but in between the Fiesta, it's the Chicano Park. Right there. If y'all see something or someone, report it to the authorities. Like, you might see a loved one that is missing and, you know, having problems with mental issues, and they might just want to be left alone, you know. Or I don't want to think of the other. Sorry if I can't read any messages. The glare is bad. Okay, there's I-35. There's another place. You can sit there. Ooh, look at this one. You can fall down there. Or if you're right there relaxing on the rock. Oh, Lord. We're at Lady Bird Lake. Just debunking the people that say you can't fall in. And there's a gate, a fence. There's only a fence close to Rainy Street. But people are saying, some people say walk them at night. Keep your dog safe in the heat. Walk them at night. Okay, that doesn't seem like nothing unless they're inviting the people to come at night and then they're gonna, whatever you want to call it, unalive. Fall in. We're at Lady Bird Lake. You can fall in right there. See this root? You can trip over that root. Boom. Fall in. What the hell is that? It's the root, I think. It's a root. I hope. Yeah, it looks just like these roots. If we walk another 10 minutes, maybe, or 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna hit Rainy Street. So we're gonna walk a little bit faster. Debunking some YouTubers that say that you cannot fall in at the edge of the lake, which you can. If you stand right here, you can fall straight in, but there's bushes, so it looks like the land, you know. And look at this. It's steep, y'all. I'm not saying that's what happens. Well, you could be standing there peeing or smoking or whatever, toking, or even being with somebody you know, and then somebody kicks you in, or you just fall in if you're too drunk. You see right here? You go straight down. There's an edge. No fences here. There's only probably maybe 15 sections of fence, and that's it. And we've been jumping through it. We've been jumping over it to launch the kayak. See how steep it is? You can fall straight down. And people say no. Because when Well, it's this way all the way around, but when people come to see, which is what I did at first, you just go through. You just go right by Rain Street. And that's where I thought it was the only area, but it goes way over there to South. I think they call it Southtown. We're gonna hit IH-35 underpass. Out here at Labor Lake, debunking YouTubers saying that you can't fall in because there's fence, but there's no fence here. I haven't seen one yet. It's up there by Rainy Street, and there aren't even that many. You could still crawl through or jump it or climb it like me. Thanks for staying with me. If y'all see anything or anybody like missing people or graffiti or whatnot, turn it into the authorities, family, or whoever you think needs to see it. And sit there and somebody will throw your ass off. Can't see because of the bushes. What the hell? If anybody can read that, let me know. This is like the one that said La Santa Muerte. That says R.I.P. I think. R.I.P. Bob. I get it. I get it. Can't stop Hogger Pod. It looks better on the screen. Wow, that's crazy. SA2 or please get love. You know what? That's the same writing as over there. There was a writing on one of these benches. It said Santa Muerte, which is the saint of death, which a lot of drug dealers or whatever, killers, they pray to that. And, you know, supposedly it helps so they won't get caught in whatever they're doing. But that one said, I can't stop. That's weird. See, there's a ramp that goes up. And I don't know where it leads to, but there's always a lot of preppies on there. We'll go through it when I come back. So far I've seen one camera. I don't think it can see this far. I'm going to take you to the one, that graffiti that I saw. It says Christian. This is where people park. Or you can park here to go work. It's creepy under here. Imagine how it feels at night because I don't see any lights. Not one light. Nope. Oh, forgot to show y'all that thing. Excuse me, I'm gonna take a picture of that. Ooh, beer. Anyway, I can screenshot it. Thanks. Is it blood on that t-shirt? Okay, I was gonna show you one thing. Sorry, tengo que agarrar el video de allá. Porque se están ahogando muchos, ya no he ido.
¿Oh, sí?
Aquí, como
¿En serio?
8.
8 personas.
Sí, y no saben cómo o qué. Se vienen de allá donde hay muchos, donde tomas mucho,
Ajá.
tienen clubs. Se vienen de allá y se ahogan y creen que alguien los está matando. Porque los hallan después y están dejando de ese smiley face con ese círculo que tiene la sonrisa. Hay mucho. Y allá, mira.
Pero no era porque han tomado.
Pues dicen, pero los expertos dicen que no es mucho. Tortugas. Hay una lagarto. Hay una lagarto aquí, como de mi como de aquí para acá.
¿Cocodrilo?
Sí.
¿Aquí hay un cocodrilo?
Sí, lo hallaron.
Pero allá toda la gente anda en el kayak, ¿no?
Sí. Mi amigo anda allá buscando abajo de... Tiene un drone que
Oh.
mira abajo